Also new in version 3.1 is the use of a graph to allow us to visually see data. And if we want to assign AQS invalidation codes, you can see right here that we're looking at PM10 data. And whenever we use this function in the toolbox, once you enter the information here, which again is all in drop-down boxes depending upon what sites and samplers you've set up and what your data are, you see the data here in context, and you could see that the data that were flagged when you did the import because they were out of range, or because, for example, in this case, there was too much change from 1 hour to the next to not be suspicious about that high value. Then you could go in and assign AQS null value codes here, or you can actually view the data and assign AQS null value codes in your data table itself. And what's really cool is that you can clearly see this outlier here in the chart. So let's take a look at the data, and you can see that all of the rows that have been flagged when you imported the data are in yellow, helping you more easily identify them. And this is clearly not valid data because we go from 8 at night to 9 at night, and we see a jump from 40 to 160 and then down again. So clearly this is an anomaly, and we are going to invalidate this. We probably should do some investigation, but to show you how this works, we invalidated that, and now you could see that value no longer spikes up and the remaining values look reasonable. We still have to look at these two values here, but this is just an overview of how you can interactively look at your data, invalidate it in the context of the other data points for whatever time period you want. You could zoom in on a small time period, you could zoom out to a larger time period.